Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dakal, and in this video we are going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing with native ads. I'll be sharing some of the strategy that I personally use while promoting Clickbank offer in native ads. This video is going to be extremely helpful for you, so do watch this video till the end. And if you haven't liked this video, please do like and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question while watching this video, then please do comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So as you can see in the screen, this is Volume DSP account, and I have just launched a campaign that is in pending. It is not approved, and it is made to promote a product that is called back pain breakthrough, which is available on Clickbank. So basically, I'm just trying to test this campaign. I will be spending 1 to 3 times the total sales amount of this product, and if it doesn't convert, then I'll immediately pause. Now most people do is they just launch one product in native ads, and if that is not profitable, they immediately stop. But what I actually do is I go to the spy tools, okay, and find 2, 3, 4 offers, image and headlines that are being used, okay, by using this tool that is called AdPlexity. And as you can see, this is about prostrate, this is about tinnitus, this is about diabetes, this is about back pain. Okay, so this is the product that I'm currently testing. I've just made that ad. Now I just store this image headline in this way. Okay, so this is the one that is about this prostrate one. Okay, I have brought these two images from this tool, spy tool. Okay, and I have kept it here, and as you can see here, headline is a have an enlarged prostate, urologist reveals to this immediately. So if you see, this is the exact headline. Okay, so now this next headline is, as you can see, next headline, this headline is from the video sales letter of this product itself. Let me show you. Let me copy it. So let's see this video sales letter and the headline. Sorry. Okay, so you can see 15-second male bedtime ritual shrinks your prostate in just a week. So now I can tweak this headline and add some taste of myself at here, and then I can run the ad. Okay, so if you are completely newbie and you don't know how to launch a campaign on Volume DSP, then I have made tutorials, which I'll provide the link of all these tutorials in the description. I have provided the tutorial of AdPlexity here. I've taught how to create a landing page. I've also taught how to promote Clickbank product using a landing page. Similarly, I have also taught about direct linking. Okay, how you can directly promote Clickbank offers without creating landing page. Okay, I'll put all these 4 tutorials in the link. Sorry, all the link of these tutorials in the description of this video. So now lose weight. So this is not necessary. Okay, so you can also use another spy tool that is called Anstrex. It is a little bit cheaper. Okay, and let's see at here. Yeah, now this bulk resize photos.com, it is absolutely necessary while you are running native ads, because what this do is in Volume DSP, while launching a campaign, you need to use several images. Okay, several size images. Now you can bring this image, but this size does not fit. If the size of this image does not fit to the size that a network is asking, like maybe And let's say Nativo is asking for 1200 by 675 px image, and this image is only 600 by 500 px. Okay, then in that case what you can do is you can simply open this bulk resize photo and click on choose, and then go to the image. Let's say you want to increase the height and width and height of this image. Then what you can do is you can make this image quality 90%. You can select this. Okay, you can deselect this and type 1200 by 900. Okay, and then you can simply click on start. So now here your photo is ready. Okay, you can simply click on show in folder, and the size of this image is increased. Now if you see in the properties in details, 1200 by 900. Okay, so these are some simple things that you need to know while running a native ad. Otherwise your image will not be approved, or maybe you cannot upload that image in your while creating native ads campaign. So next important thing is this Google image search. Okay, you can simply type Google image search and you will get this search bar, and what you can do is you can click on here. Okay, so for example, let's say you are promoting a back pain product, then never type like this back pain and then search. Okay, because the images that you will get are most likely being used by all other native advertiser. What you can do is you can simply click on this search by image option, and then you can upload the image that you have brought from the spy tool. Okay, in this way. So let's say for now we'll put this image, so let's put it at here, and then you can see you will get these several images. Okay, now let's say if you have typed google.com, let's type back pain woman. So let's see. Okay, so look at this image and look at this image. There's a vast difference between these images. Okay, so if you have just typed this back pain for woman, then you'll get these images which are most likely being used by lots of other affiliates too. But if you source image in this way, then you can get more unique images that you can use, and you can again resize those images in case if you want to run in Nativo, then bar 1200 to 900 px. Okay, and that way you can prepare the image. So now in case of headline, you can use the same headline that is available at here, but you can watch the video sales later and create your own headline also. Okay, and so let's see about this. So I have targeted mobile and tab and iOS device only in this campaign, as you can see. So I'm testing it in Nativo, mobile and tab, iOS device. Okay, only I have targeted, and this is the Clickbank uplink, and in brand domain I have give the name exactly, that is backpainbreakthrough.com. that is the brand domain of this offer. Okay, and in case of targeting United States, web, mobile and tablet, and limit operating system iOS only, because in iOS there is higher chances of getting sales. That doesn't mean once I start to get the sales in the iOS device, then I can also test other Android phone and other phones also. Okay, and in case of connection type Wi-Fi. Okay, again once because people need to watch the video sales later, that's why I select this Wi-Fi. But if I start to get sales with Wi-Fi, I do test these other things also. So I'm run on network, not with the whitelist. Okay, similarly in bids and budget. So for the testing purpose, I'm putting low bid for this offer because the offer payout is a little bit low. So I'm looking if I can get some impression in this bid amount or not, because I have previously tested another offer where I have made this kind of bid and it gave me some impression, and I am just trying to test it again with another offer. So in total budget I have kept it unlimited, and in daily budget I have kept 250. As you can see, currently my DSP balance is $235, but I still can make my budget 250. Okay, and because of this I can make this smooth spending strategy, not ASAP. Okay, if I just make here $100, then I need to spend that $100 as soon as possible, but because I have kept 250, that's why I am able to spend it in a smooth way. Now in daily per site you can limit it, okay, for $5, $10, or maybe one sales amount that you can put at here, so that you can your one widget doesn't spend more. Okay, you can test that thing also. In creatives, as you can see, I have used 12 creatives, meaning let's go to here. So I have used this 4 images. Okay, not all of these images will be approved. Okay, and I have used 3 different headlines. Okay, one I brought from Spy Tool. Okay, another I modified it a little bit by seeing the video sales later, and this another also same thing, I modified it. Okay, so as you can see in here, stop back pain, stop low back pain, that is only the difference between two headline, and I will test it and see. Now if some headline works, then I will stop other headline and maybe add this watch at here, or maybe I can twist and tweak other things and start to run the test again. So as you can see, it is the same thing. Here you can see the image headline. Okay, so okay, now this is then in optimization. I have turned off this option, and the frequency capping is 2. That means my ad will be shown 2 times to a person, and that is frequency in one day, and I'm running it on all the time, not in day parting. Okay, I'm not selecting some certain time in a day to run this ad. Okay, so it is still in pending. I'll wait for some time, and it will once it is approved, then I'll start to get some traffic, and hopefully I may get some sales. If not, then immediately I will start to test another campaign, that is this process stream, and if that doesn't work, I will start to test another in one network in iOS only, mobile and tablet. Okay, I will test everything in a specific thing, iOS, mobile and tablet, iOS device. Okay, or maybe I would test it in desktop, and maybe to the people who are using the desktop in Wi-Fi or such thing. Okay, I will test it in that way, and if that also don't work, then I'll check other offers in this spy tool. Okay, so I think setting up multiple offers and testing it one by one is the best strategy a beginner can follow to get sales. Okay, so do check the description of this video. I'll put everything that is essential for you if you want to promote affiliate products in native ads. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, do like this video, and don't forget to ask any question if you have. So take care, have a great day, bye bye.